All right, 5:05 to play in the first. 2-1. Nice play. Chase it down. Where's he going with it? Yep, make him cut it up the middle. There you go. Look for your teammates. All right, feed it in there. Oh, let it go through. Oh. All right, Jacob, wrap it. Wrap it around out front. Look for the man. Oh, wrong team. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Way to break it up, Jacob. There you go.
Come on, Ben, skate. Go.
Shoot it. Nice. Tucked it right in there. Good job. Nice goal. Way to go, boys.